In this video, we are going to talk about how to use multiple deals in McDonald's app, stacking rules, rewards, and best workaround. First of all, open the Google Play Store or App Store on your phone and download the McDonald's app. And you have to sign in or create a new account within the app and navigate to rewards and offers section. Then select the deal you wish to use. To scan the deal, you have to tap on Scan at Restaurant to generate a QR code and a 4-digit code for redemption. So here are the two methods to redeem the deal. In a store, you have to visit the McDonald's counter or kiosk. Show your QR code or 4-digit code to the cashier and finalize your order with the discount applied. On a mobile order and pay, for that you have to add the food items to your cart using the app and tap on the Add to Mobile Order on the deal page. If the option is available, the deal will be applied to your cart during the checkout. So doing this step will help you to use the multiple deals in your McDonald's app. I hope it will be useful for you. Thanks for watching.